My work environment is very hectic, and there are a million things that are always going on at any given time. What I really need to do is kind of come back into myself, quiet my mind a little bit so that I can focus. There's a pretty famous business phrase, and it's work smarter, not harder. And I think that that is really what meditation has done for me.
My health checkups have never been better. I have a history in my family of high blood pressure and high cholesterol and other kind of blood pressure things, and they're just perfect now. My doctor can't believe how perfect they are.
Before, there was never enough time, it seemed like, to get everything done in one day. Now that I've been practicing TM, it's your mind's so clear when you're looking at a problem that the problem isn't that severe anymore, and it's very easily solved, and you move on to the next one.
It relieves a lot of stress for me in a really busy personal life and professional life. It just relieves all the stress so I can get everything done.
It calmed me down. It took away a tremendous amount of stress. It helps me focus on my work. It keeps me very optimistic. I love working with the people here.
TM is part of our healthcare program. It's given free to everyone after just 3 months of being here. And people immediately feel that this is a unique company, that they care about me, they're investing in me, they want me to succeed, and they realize that people need those tools. And the best tool that I have found that really develops the whole individual is the Transcendental Meditation program.